Recently, I shot a video with Laura Fenton-Cavanda where we focused on the reset shot. That's the shot that you use when you're transitioning from the baseline to the non-volley zone. Afterwards, the emails came in with those of you asking, how do you open the paddle face without popping it up and giving a nice juicy kill shot to your opponents who are there waiting at the net? That's what we're going to focus on today. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We talk about all things pickleball with a special focus on the player who's over 50. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then the bell. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video. A good reset shot is going to make for a smoother transition for you and your partner to get to the net. If you missed last week's video with four-time US Open champion Laura Fenton-Cavanda, make sure you start there first. Just click on the link that popped up on your screen. Before I show you my favorite drill, we need to talk a little bit about grip pressure. It's almost impossible to hit a soft shot with hammer hands. The unfortunate part is most of us don't even realize how much tension we have in our grip. And once we put tension on our grip, that transfers into our forearm and our shoulder, and before you know it, our entire motion is tense. And we're trying to hit a soft shot, and most of the time it just won't work. Here's how you can be aware of your grip pressure. What I'd like you to do is to hold your pickleball paddle, but hold it lightly enough so that if I walked by, I could pull it out of your hands. That's number one. Now let's do the opposite side of that scale. Hold the pickleball paddle again, but this time tighten it so hard that if I walked by and tried to pull it out of your hands, it would pull back. You should feel that tension go right into your forearm. Now you have the two extremes. 1, the softest, 10, the hardest. Take the pickleball paddle in your hand one more time, and now find the pressure right in the middle between 1 and 10. That's your number 5. Most pickleball shots should be hit with a grip pressure of somewhere around 3 to 5. One of my favorite ways to teach people to open the paddle face is by using the double dink drill. The objective of this is to take a dink and after the first bounce, pop the ball up in the air in front of you and then hit the next ball over the net. That teaches us to open up the face and to control the ball, the trajectory, as well as the speed. Once you've mastered the double dink, here's an additional one for you to try. Let's try a double volley. So what we want to do is the same thing as in the double dink. We want to open the paddle face up enough so that it stays front of us in the air, and then send the next shot over the net with an arc back to our practice partner. If you focus on controlling the ball by opening your paddle face and the softness of your touch, your reset shot will improve in no time. If you got value from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.